Hey, this is Darlene with realmeaning.info. All right, I'm just gonna come out with it. This is gonna be a very funny video, so you're gonna want to watch it all. Okay, it's how to create fun image variations using DALL-E 2. Okay, now the DALL-E 2 software, it comes on the that OpenAI the same one that uses Chat GPT, and you're gonna love it. It's free and it's very fun to use. So I'm gonna break it down in same steps as I always do. Okay, all right, let's go have fun. Step one, you're gonna go to openai.com. Step two, you're gonna click on product. Step three, you're going to click on DALL-E 2. Step four, you're going to click on try DALL-E 2. Step five, you're going to sign in to DALL-E 2 by using your free Chat GPT account. If you're not familiar with that, go to my video last month and learn how to do that. That's the video from last month, how to open up a free Chat GPT account, because you're going to use that to sign into DALL-E 2. Step six, the page is going to open up. It's not really a step, but just the page is going to open up, the DALL-E 2 page. Step seven, you're going to click on upload an image. Step eight, you're going to choose any picture that you want on your computer, honey, to make it do all them different crazy variations. So just choose any picture you want, and then after you've chosen a picture, click on it and then click open. Step nine, click on crop. Now, even if your picture that you clicked on is already cropped, just click crop anyway, because in order to get to the next step, you have to click, crop. Don't ask me why, but they still haven't worked out different bumps yet, I guess. After that, step 10, click on generate variations. And I'm laughing because what you guys are about to see is gonna be crazy. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the first picture. I'm gonna do a couple of different pictures to show you their variations. Okay, so this is the first time I uploaded a picture of mine, and I wanted to see how DALL-E 2 would do generate the variations. Okay, so this is the original. And this is the variation. First of all, how did my hair get that short like that? AI is really scary. It messed up my Rubik's Cube earrings. Look at that. It made my, why did it, okay, it made my Rubik's Cube earrings the actual, the actual sort of like, you know how Rubik's Cubes have the different, the little, not squares. Squares that made the squares on my earrings big, but it also, along with it, made my cheeks big and my eyes big. I almost look like a Harlequin overweight, huh? You remember Harlequin from Batman? Sure, Mr. J. So this is a friend. This is me and a friend. I'm sorry, a picture. This is the original picture of me and a friend. I won't say her name. If it's a friend, I'll get their permission, but I won't say their name. So this is me and a friend. This is the first variation. How did it? First of all, she's wearing like a black sort of like shirt, t-shirt, I think it is. So it got me wearing a black shirt. It's got both of us with blonde hair. It's got me, I think, even with green eyes, which makes me look like a black cat woman. And it changed my jewelry. It's got her with the orange shirt. Dali, you are funny. And this one right here, look at this variation. Okay, okay, forget okay, it said, get the orange from the earring, put it on the shirt, and make it look like it's fire. Look at doesn't that look like fire? Flames, yes. She's still got the black shirt on. Man, gosh. Okay, so this picture is me when I was about maybe about 8, 9 years old. When I was a kid, I used to love the Annie dresses. So it's me when I was in elementary school. So this is the original picture of me. Now check out the first variation. So it's scary because she actually looks like a girl I went to elementary school with. So I don't know how Dali got that information. Scary. Now check out the second variation. Okay, so this is okay. First off, why is there either a white cotton or sock on my head like that? My mama would have never let me go out with my hair looking like that. It does look like either a white piece of cotton or a white sock. So let's go on to the third variation. Look at her hair. It looks like almost a grown person's hair and a child's body with a child's dress on. It's scary. Is that how you see me, Dali? That's mad. That's look at that hair. She looked like Patrice Rushen by the hair. Forget me nots. So those are all the things you could do with Dalle-2. So once again, that is it's an AI sort of like software on the same website as ChatGPT, OpenAI.com. So if I've made you laugh and learn, please click and subscribe. Tell others about me, how I explain things in an easy way for everyone to understand and how to do it. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have any questions, please hit me up and click the like button. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.